Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a lightweight and cordless vacuum, this stick vac from mickersy is an awesome option. What I love about this especially is how lightweight and easy to use it is. It seriously weighs nothing. It also maneuvers so well. So you can get right under the couch. It's nice and slim. It has an awesome swivel and the stick is adjustable. So you can shrink this right down if you'd rather it be shorter. You can lengthen it all the way for somebody taller. This means you can get your kids on the vacuum. It does come with other accessories, but even just with the power head that it comes with, if you shrink that down, you can vacuum your mattress. If you change and use the little brush attachment, you can pick up pet hair on your couches or even on your curtains to get rid of all that unwanted dust. It has the skinnier nozzle, so this is great for the cracks in your couch or for cleaning your car. It's ready to tackle any job you have. It charges up in just a few hours, and then you have almost a full hour of runtime on the lowest setting. There is a higher setting, so if you need that extra suction, you can use that as well. I love that it has the light on it, so when I am going under a bed or even vacuuming at night, I can see where I'm going, and it's so satisfying to see all those little particles get picked up. The suction is excellent. So I use this all over my house. I especially have hardwood floors, but I also have tile, I have area rugs. It's great on all of the surfaces. It comes with this handy little tool to clean out your brushes. It also comes with an attachment to hang it on the wall so it's off the floor. And of course, it's easy to empty, so just with this touch of a button, the bottom drops out and it's clean. If you need to do a more thorough cleaning, you can absolutely take it apart. You can wash your filter, you can wash out the canister, but for just daily use, it's nice and simple to empty. So I think you will be thrilled with this. It's lightweight, super portable, super easy to use, maneuvers well, all of the things that you look for in a cordless vacuum, and that's my point of view.